What's going on, ADV hooligans? ADV Gourmet here, and today we have a busted tool tube. Yes sirree, Bob. This weekend, as you can see, it busted here, but I was riding, and this stays kind of like in my fender well, like this. Tires here rotating, goes up like this, kind of, you know. Zip tie here, bolts here, bolts failed. Well, the plastic failed, the bolts are still there. Zip tied held it. Wheel running this way, just held to that wheel. As you can see, it burned it pretty good, if you know what I mean. Anyhow, I want to say this. I wanted to open it up with you guys, see what I lost, what I got damaged, and go from there. And you get to see my tool tube, what tools I carry with me. Now I carry two tool tubes. So this is one. The other one has really some wheel stuff in it, you know, tire irons and such. So let's take a look. Well, there went the tape. Got the Gourmet multi-tool. Those are good for little pliers, to tell you the truth. Got some rags in here. Ooh, looks like my Yamaha toolkit kind of ate it right there. We'll open that in a minute. Alright, so I think the best way to do this is just pull it all out. Got some vice grips, needle nose, got a T-bar. Got a set of motion control Allen wrenches, adjustable wrench, tire pressure, magnet. I'll tell you what, this little magnet, Brett Tax is the one who first had this in one of his toolkits that I was watching on YouTube. And I'll tell you, off his recommendation, I went and got one. And I've used it a couple times, to be honest. I sure have. But I also have a box cutter, got a ratchet, got some extra, yeah, those are extra razor blades. I got two valve stem cords, why two, I'm not sure. One is none, two is one, maybe that's why. And then this bag, essentially, nothing melted. Two is two. Back here, got my tire tube. That looks good, honestly. That tube's good. Alright, so I'm going to change that out. Tube's gone. This tool bag is definitely gone. Take a look what's in the Yamaha bag here. Alright, looks like all these go here. Yeah, I need it. Ooh, that is good. I'll have to sand that down before I can use it again. That ain't it pretty good right there. The handle. I'll tell you what, I don't know how many of you guys carry one of these. Troubleshoot any electrical problems. A light stick. Ground this, stick this in the electric, see if it's hot, just lights up. And sometimes this thing is worth its weight in gold. I'll tell you. Nice troubleshooter. That comes from another YouTube channel. Lyndon. Oh, I forget his last name. Anyhow, he's a British writer. He carries one of those in his toolkit. Awesome. Anyhow, that's my main toolkit. Looks like I'm gonna have to probably get a new tube. Don't think I'm gonna go with this brand again. I'm gonna make my own. Greg, my buddy, and the Bearded Grump. If you've not seen their channel, please like and subscribe. Awesome. But he just bought a new beach drum, and it has a, looks to be a better constructed, maybe even homemade two-tube lamp. I'm gonna have to get those dimensions and such, because this, as you see, it just didn't make it. I mean, this, you know, I tried. Honestly, I got 1,000+ miles out of it. But look, man, I was close to home when this happened. This was a pain in the ass to carry all this stuff on my bike after this broke. And really, I was so frustrated, I just kind of strapped it up in my cargo net and wished, or hoped, I don't really wish, but I hoped for the best. And yeah, well, looks like there's one thing that I am missing. You guys didn't know, but I carry a small bag of fuses, and I don't see my fuses. Oh. Well, if that's all I'm missing, small bag of fuses, I'm good. Alright. Well, as always, ride safe, and I'll see you guys out on the trails. Peace.